Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to connect multiple bank accounts to Trim. If you want to manage all your finances in one place, well, Trim lets you connect multiple bank accounts easily. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and log into your accounts. And once you're logged in, from the home screen, just tap on the accounts or linked accounts section. Then you're going to look for an option that says add accounts or link bank accounts. Tap on that and then select your bank from the list, or you could use the search bar to narrow down on your bank. You're going to be prompted to securely enter your bank login credentials. Trim uses encrypted technology to keep your data safe during this process, so you don't have to worry. Once verified, your new bank accounts will appear alongside your existing ones in the app. Repeat the process for each additional bank account that you want to connect. This way, Trim aggregates all your balances, your transactions, and spendings in one convenient dashboard. Having multiple accounts linked helps you to get a complete financial picture. It also helps you to track expenses better and to optimize your savings. And that's how you connect multiple bank accounts in Trim, simple and secure. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch primary bank accounts in Trim. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.